Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to pass. Firstly, let's go to minigames. Select opponent. And let's select minigame for offense. Target passing, for example.
Here we go.
Position your quarterback and time your passes to destroy as many targets as possible. Press A button or X button to start. Above players you can see markings, which has to be pressed to pass. Each player has its own button to pass. Try the releasing button when the marker is in the middle. Thanks to this, pass will be better, longer and with higher accuracy.
Here we go.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.